This is the assembly instruction books for Nevada 3 doors, 2 drawers wardrobe. Okay, first we move on to the first page of this assembly instructions. These are some instructions which are provided in this list or assembly list. These are the pass numbers. You will get these numbers on the top side of any panel which you are using. Like this is 3, panel number 3. Every panels have their own number on the top or at the bottom. Further we move forward to this fitting list. These 3 pouches we have to use on this panel, division panel 3. We are working on panel 3. We have to turn it over like this, and we have to work on this side of the panel. You have to use 3, put it over here. Already there are holes. Alright. Step 2 is completed. Now we are moving to step 3. Parts required. We are still working on the same 3 division panel. And now on this step we have to use A and Q. You will receive these 2 sliders in the boxes. Okay. It's like this. In this step 3 we are still working on the same side of the panel where we have fixed these. Okay, we are working on the same side. At the end of this panel, you will find these 1, 2, 3, 4 holes. Okay, you have to fix these drawer runners like here, like this. Step number 4. We are done with panel 3. Now we are moving to work on panel 5. Look, it's 5. We are working on step number 4, panel 5. For this we have to use CMP. On same panel, panel number 5, we have to fix these L at the bottom of this panel. In here. In here. It's good to use inchy tape over here to identify where you are putting these, where you are fixing this.
Where are you fixing this? When you fix number 2,
use it like this.
it's very
Then
important,
go
guys.
to on other side.
Yes, go to the other side.
Like this.
Like this. So it's go to the other side.
Fix one there. Okay.
Fix one there.
This is panel 6. Things which are required to make panel 6. Okay. So we are working on the face side of the panel 6. There are so many holes in this panel, so you will easily understand on which side you are working. Now we are moving towards step number 7. We are still working on the same panel, same side, but we will work on 8 and 9 as well. We are using the glue. And panel number 9 we are working. You can work either 8 or 9, it depends on you, because we have to do the same work in both of the panels. We have to fix this on panel number 8. So we are taking the center point of this panel 8. Now we are moving towards step number 8. In step number 8, we have to work on panel 1, 2, 7, 4. what the things are required in this panel parts. They are over here, and what hardware required, they are mentioned over here. Panel 1, 1, 2 and 7. Number 9. In step number 9, we are working on panel number 4 and panel number 1, B1, A1 or J. You have to place this B1 in here. Okay, like this. We are on step number 10 now. What we have to use glue, screwdriver and F screws. Okay. So we are just fixing these 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we are moving towards step number 12. Number 7. We are fixing. Okay, this is panel number 9. Panel number 9 will come at the back. Now we are fixing this panel 6 with this whole wardrobe. Now we have to fix these back cardboards. Okay. This is R. You have to slide this R in between 10, both 10 cardboards. Now you have to join point A with point B with a straight line like this. As we are working on detail 14, look, just take a center of this area like this, like any inchy tape. Mark that center piece in here, as I already did. This 7.5. Place this over here like this. We have completed with step number 15. Now we are moving forward to step 16, in which what we have to do, the parts which is required, 12 frame. Is 12. On step number 16, we have to attach this 12. On step number 17, what we have to do, just place this in here. Now we will move towards step number 18, in which we are working on the drawers. This 17, 16 and 20. You have to pour the glue like this in these two holes. Don't put the glue on this hole. Like this. You have to hammer these two. Not too much. With the soft. This. Okay. So now we are moving towards step number 20, as we have completed step number 19. panel number 16 and panel number 17, which are the drawer sides and drawer back panels. As we have completed step number 20, now we are moving forward to step number 21, in which we have to work on 18, panel 18. The things which are required, UVW, or the tool which is required is four-headed screwdriver. This or this. Okay. Now, so this thing, this part, and this hole, like this. Okay. And then you have to screw it like this. As we have completed with step number 22, in which we have placed this bottom of a drawer, and now we are heading towards step number 23, in which we have to use these two panels. One is this, is a 20. Look, 20 is written over here. So what you have to do, you have to pour glue in these two holes, and then you have to fix it like this. After that, you have to use H nails, 2 nails in these 2 holes. Okay, this is the middle support of this drawer. Step number 24, in which we have to fix these right or left drawer channels, which are these. Okay, and you have to screw second hole and the last hole. Okay, let's do it. Now we are moving towards step number 25, in which we are working on these 3 panels, which is 15, 14 and 13. This one is the 13 panel. Alright, the tools which are required is 4-headed screwdriver, or hardware which are required is C and O. Now we are working on panel 13. What you have to do, this is O. Okay, just fix it nicely.